Do you want to automate your trading? Hi, my name is Simone and in this video I will show you Rosaline, my expert advisor, one of my EAs that I use to pass prop firm challenges like FTMO, MFF, TFF and others, and how he can have different modes, more aggressive or more conservative. So, if you are interested in prop, I will explain everything step by step, and you can also try my expert advisor for 1 month at the link below in the description. First, you need to understand how it works, so let's get started. This one you see back here is a 5k challenge passed with Rosaline. My philosophy is this: always start small, see if it works, and then to scale up there is always time. As you can see, EA has opened position only on gold, so there are many small positions throughout the day because I have it working with a 1 minute time frame. But if you want, you can also select a higher time frame, have fewer trades and less risk. I prefer to be more aggressive in the challenge phase and safer when I'll be with a funded account. So let's see the reasoning behind my EA. Okay guys, we are here with the gold, and with my strategies I'm going to use the RSI, the Bollinger Bands and also the ATR. So the expert works in this way. You have to launch a backtest and to look for the best parameters for RSI and Bollinger Bands. So when you run an optimization on MT5, you can select the parameters. For example, I would like to test the RSI on the length from 3 to 20 and to check what is the best parameter for the gold. The same thing is with the Bollinger Band. I would like to check if 200, 1000, 50, which is the best number, and also the correlation between the RSI period length and the Bollinger period length. Then I will also check, for example, in the RSI the buy and the sell signal. For example, here I have on 70, but I can put this on 80. Because in this way, when I increase this number, I have a more clean signal, a more clean situation. And how the strategy works. This strategy in particular is a reversal strategy. And we can have some example with this trading view indicator already made by another guy, just to have a better understanding of the strategy. So for example, here we have the price is going out from the Bollinger Bands and then is going back in. In this situation, we can have a buy signal. Not every time is correct, because sometimes when the price is going out from the Bollinger Band is because there is a momentum and it's very strong. It is going down with a big momentum. But sometimes when the RSI and the Bollinger Bands align are at the same level, we can have a signal. I can show you something. If I go down on a different time frame, for example on the 1 minute time frame, I can also change this from the RSI. If I put this to the 3 period, I have a lot more signal of buy and sell. So I should also play with this overbought and oversold level. For example, I can put something like this. In this way, I will reduce the signal that I have from the market, and I can choose the best one. For example, in this situation, to have an entry, I need the price to go out from the Bollinger Bands at first and also have the RSI out from the Bollinger Bands. But I will have my entry only when the price is going back in. So for example, I will have my first entry here, because I will have my first entry here, because the candle closed back inside the Bollinger Bands, and also the RSI is back in. Then what's going on? The price is going down. So where should I put my stop and my take profit? With Rosalind Expert Advisor, you don't have a stop loss, but don't worry, this is not a crazy thing, because we will have an equity protect set to 4.2%. This is because if we want to pass the prop firm challenge, we need to respect the rules, and the rules about the daily drawdown is one of the most important rule, and so we need to have this situation, so we are protected against this. Where is our take profit? We can set our take profit at a pip step. What is pip step? Pip step is the distance between one trade to the second. What does this mean? If we open here the first position and then the price start going down, we can tell with our expert, okay, if the price is going down about, let's see here, 50 pip for example, we can put my second entry right here. So how can we enter this other position? We can enter with a fixed lot, or with a martingale, or with an anti-martingale. So with the same position, with a bigger position, or with a smaller position. If our first take profit was right here, where there is this red line for example, in this situation I have two positions. So my take profit is in a position that's near me, right here. And you can see right here that the price is going up. So it's easier to go to the take profit and stay safe at the same time. Okay guys, let's have a look inside my expert advisor Rosalind. What are the input that we should check? So for example, on a 10k account, we can put our max drawdown around 4%. In this case is this, and I would choose this small lot size, and I will use all indicators together. I will choose 75 as my pip step, and also when to profit and to close all my position around 100 pips. And I will also choose the time frame for the Bollinger Bands. As you can see, you can select between every time frame. I will choose the 5 minutes at 200 when the price is close. The RSI settings are this one, and I won't use any martingale without any multiplier. So let's have a look and let's see how it works with the visual mod in these days of the last week. For example, from 22 of April to today, 29. Because I think that it's better to see, to understand how it works.
She packed my bags last night, pre-flight, 0 hour, 9 a.m. And I'm gonna be high as a kite by then. I miss the earth so much, I miss my wife. It's lonely out in space on such a timeless flight. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, 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 I'm a rocket man, burning out his fuse out here alone. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, 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 I'm a rocket man, burning out his fuse out here alone. Mars ain't the kind of place to raise your kids. In fact, it's cold as hell, and there's no one there to raise them if you did. And all the science I don't understand, it's just my job 5 days a week. A rocket man, a rocket man. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, 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 I'm a rocket man, burning out his fuse out here alone. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not.
So I think that visually you understand how it works. If it goes too fast, you can slower your YouTube video from the tool option around this area and go to 0.5. And this is my expert. I will link you in the description my my MQL5 page so that you can have a look and let me know what do you think about it.